Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be walking through this abandoned mid-century modern house here in Athens, Georgia, and we're going to see what one of these relics of the past looks like in its current condition. If you enjoy this type of content, if you don't mind doing me a favor and hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel, and stick around to the end to find out how you can play a part in buying and flipping this beauty. Let's go take a look and see. Okay, we're in the front yard here. We're gonna take a look. We're gonna walk through inside and see what this place looks like right now. This has probably been vacant for 5 or 6 years at least. I don't know, maybe more, not sure. I've been in touch with the owner for some time now, for at least 2 years, trying to get some info on it. And recently we've connected and he's given me a key to go take a look inside. So let's just go see what we've got. The alarm still works. Ooh, okay. So, wow. Well, the first thing I notice is the smell. It's really, really mildewy in here. So I'm not familiar with tons of mid-century moderns, but this kind of looks, like, I guess, the typical style. We got a split, kind of separated kitchen slash living room area. I don't know if you can see these cabinets. We don't have very good lighting, but ooh, this is kind of cool. Let's see if we got some lights here. Oh, okay. So we got the Venta hood. Oh, that's cool. Not crazy about the color, but that is certainly cool. See, look up here at all the mildew on the sheetrock. And obviously, we've got roof leaks all over the place. I'm sure that's not going to be all of it. We got a somewhat modern dishwasher still left here. A microwave. Ooh. We got old 70s looking linoleum flooring. Kind of got a, I don't know if the term groovy would be right, but we got some sort of groovy little island cabinet separator type thing. I'm surprised it still has electricity. Somebody's paying the bills on it. I guess the owner just didn't want to turn it off. I don't know. So anyways, we got the kitchen. We got a little dining area right here. I need to do a walkthrough video and kind of get a picture of what this place might look like and how much it might cost to flip. So I still got a bunch of old furniture in here. The furniture doesn't look especially, well, some of it does, that over there does, but it doesn't look especially mid-century modern. We got this green carpet, which is super 70s. And a 70s comforter. Let's see if we can get a better look at this carpet. Ooh. Pretty cool. Now look at this. This is, I guess that's a TV stand. I don't know what that is, but that's cleaned up. That would be really, really cool. There I am. Okay, so we got closet, still got clothes hanging up in it. It's got some Snoopy stuff, old Georgia Coke bottles. Big old grandfather clock. Again, you can see the mold slash mildew all over the sheetrock in the top of the rooms. We got the front door here. It's locked. Ooh. We got vines growing through here. Ooh, that's cool. Got a big lion door knocker. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, so we've got like a split level type thing. We got stairs that go up to the bedrooms. We got stairs that go down to the bedroom. So let's go upstairs first. Ooh. Nice retro baby blue room in here with blue carpet. Ooh. Yeah, hardwood in the closet here, so I'm guessing there's hardwood under here too, which would be super awesome if it's salvageable, but I guess it would be. We got these big windows here that are also really cool. Little ceiling fan. Okay, so we've got some little compartment over here. Let's step back. Hopefully nothing jumps out at me. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I don't know what it is. It's a little space bookshelf type thing, I don't know. Okay, we've got a pink bathroom. Ooh, the fan still works. Got a pink bathroom that you see, it's typical in houses of this age. We got a big time roof issue. See all this stuff that's falling down from the roof? Got pink tile, water hose for some reason. So everything would have to be replaced in here. Closet. We got some more green. Got the view to the backyard. The floor I'm walking on seems a little bit sketchy. Big windows, big typical huge mid-century modern type windows. See the backyard. See, there you go. No weird little closet thing over here. But anyways, that's the upstairs. Let's go downstairs and see what we got. Okay. Here we go downstairs. Ooh. Okay. There's another weird little closet. So you don't have any flooring. It looks like it used to be tile in here, but this is not good. We've got some water intrusion somehow. It looks like we've got some foundation issue that needs to be taken a look at, because this is partially underground, I guess. This wouldn't be considered a basement, but we got a crack. Oh gosh. Got a crack in the ceiling. It's not good. Maybe in the next video we'll get an idea of what it might cost to fix this up. So let's go in here. See if we got lights. Oh, we do have lights. Okay. All right. Not bad tile on the floor. We got some blue, some light blue tile. It's not terrible. We got upstairs. Ooh, we got another blue room. That's why the floor upstairs felt sketchy, is because It is sketchy. We got some paint from the ceiling peeling off. And we got like a sliding glass door into the backyard. Huh, well, so it's a simple split level, 2-bedroom, 1-bath on each level. Okay. Not bad. Kind of cool. I would love to fix it up. So here's how you can help me buy and flip this house. If you think it would be cool to buy this house and flip it and turn it into an Airbnb where you could come and stay when it's done, all I need you to do is hit that like button. But here you go. I need at least 1,500 subscribers and I will document every single piece of this rehab. And if I get 1,500 subscribers, I'll buy this house because I've already kind of negotiated the price with the seller, which I think is a little high. But if I can get enough subscribers, I'll buy this house and I'll document every single day of the flip. And then when it's done, we'll put it on Airbnb so you can come check it out. Anyways, I think it could be a really cool idea. So if you don't mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and if I get 1,500 subscribers, I'll buy this house and we'll document this flip and put it on YouTube. Anyways, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.